Hey Northwest, I'm Charlize Rose, and here's what's happening. Come out tonight and support your Northwest Rankin volleyball team as they host Pearl for senior night. The team will honor their 5 seniors before the varsity game at 6 p.m. Heads up, voting for Homecoming Maids will happen this Thursday and next Wednesday. You'll find the link to the voting form in your email each day at 10 a.m. Voting closes at 10:10 each day. Love anime or interested in Japanese, Chinese, or Korean culture? Join us, the Northwest Rankin Anime Club. The club meets every Thursday during 0 block in room C204. They host monthly watch parties with snacks, fun conversations, and anime chosen by members. Everyone is welcome, whether you're a longtime fan or just getting started. Want to join? Grab a permission slip and stop by room C204 on Thursday mornings. Miss Mississippi Annalie Jolly will be here at Northwest Rankin on September 15th at 10:15 a.m. to speak with all 9th grade girls. Freshman girls, you don't want to miss this day. Don't forget, the Northwest Rankin bowling teams are holding tryouts September 22nd and 23rd at Fannin Lanes from 3:30 to 5 p.m. You'll need a current physical and you have to sign up first. Stop by room B101 to see Coach Topic to get the list. Finally, did you know that your broken ID lanyards can be replaced for free? All you have to do is return the broken lanyard to the library and swap it for a new one. If you don't have the broken one to swap out, it'll be a $2 power school fee. That's your news for today. I'm Charlize Rose, and this has been your Northwest Minute.